Good morning, everyone. Let's get this bread. Yo, top of the morning, D Scurv. Oh, let's get this. We can get that live. So gonna have all that time of me just sitting there. Does that pull up? Let me see. Yo, what's up? One time. Hold up. Let's see. Osama, top of the morning. Yo, we still don't see me. Oh, that's a problem. Yo, what's up? One time. Oh no, we're good. We're good. Okay, that's fine. Osama, top of the morning. Let me see what's up with the actual. It's the camera. See smooth top in the morning. Hold up. Let me I'm seeing this camera is like off. I'm gonna try to do it again. There we go. There we go. Okay. All right. I was like, yeah, if I don't see myself, I don't know how things are working. All right, all good. Hey, Master DRC, top of the morning. All right, so let's see how the votes are looking. 27% red, 55% green, 18% break even. Um, we got a nice little boost off the bottom this morning. So here, let's actually look at that on a 1 hour. All right, so right now on the 1 hour, we got a bullish range. So this whole area that we've created so far in the morning, just looking at the SPY, that's going to be a range. So we might be able to get a day trade out of today at the least. At the least. I'll probably I'll if I go zero DTE, I think I'm willing to spend like $70. And I think with a range like this, yo, if they're not trying to play games with us, which they might be, I think we can do some work if depending on if we got have a setup. It might take a 30 minutes to an hour to wait for the setup. Not sure, but yo, looks like we have some good potential forming, unless it just decides to just take off right away. But we'll see. But his shoe top of the morning. All right. Oh, and D Scurf said crypto on the rise, MSTR. Yeah, it is. Yeah. Had that chart up. Yeah, right here. Definitely out here looking out for it. Let me throw Bitcoin right here in the middle. Yeah, go on, Bitcoin. Do that thing. I'm gonna put that back on a 4 hour. I wanna see it take out this other high at 74K. I'd like to see it like hold that. But I did see. First Timothy 3:15. Hold up. Let's see. Let's see. Let me look it up. Mm, But if I tarry too long, then I may hold up. What's the significance of that in this significance to you, D Scurv? I'd love to know. Um, because oftentimes people say things and they're viewing it from different ways. So I'd love to hear your perspective on you bringing that up. All right, let's see. Let's see. Oh, hold up. What's this? Hold on 1 second, y'all. Okay. All right, so I'm gonna leave the spy on the 1 hour for now, forcing myself to slow down a little bit, wait for some things. So that'll give us at least like we'll have to wait at least the first 30 minutes before any kind of trade gets taken today. But yeah, we need to wait. Oh, I got you. Oh, I had no idea. You said it's First Timothy 3:15, bro. I've been saying one time. Yo, had no idea. That's crazy, bro. Perspective. Hey, top of the morning, M she said, "Help! I'm in a silver put overnight. Crypto looking good. I'm only down about $4 now. Oh yeah, silver put. Uh, honestly, I haven't really like looked at silver at all or gold or anything. I don't even know how it's doing. Uh, it looks like it was not the best move. One thing like I know for sure the dollar has blasted up some more from yesterday, so it's like typically why you have this rising. Those actually I don't know. Don't fully know. All right, but hey, all right. So I've been saying one time wrong. Hey, First Timothy. Hey, glad that's why that's why it's important to not just like be by yourself. There are so many words I used to see in books. Like I used to when I used to read books growing up, it's like I would hear the word but not know how it's pronounced. And then it's like it gets to a point where it's like, hey, I don't know how this word is spelled, but I hear people say it all the time. And then it's like, whoa, that word I always saw in multiple books. That's how that's pronounced. And it's like, I don't know. It's like you know the sounds of all the words, and then you don't know till you know. Bro, it's kind of like if you see the word pterodactyl for the first time, you're not gonna start with the T sound. You're gonna start with the P. It's gonna be like pterodactyl or something. I don't know. So it's weird. Like in this language we speak, you kind of have to be taught the words that are different. Or you said, watch out for the doo wop. It's Friday. Oh yeah, it's the expiration Friday. Yeah, I do lean towards ripping up though. We'll see. I'm for sure. We're here just chilling the first 30 minutes. If y'all want to like, y'all got something y'all want to do, that's chill. But I'm not taking anything for the first 30 minutes. I know like I've noticed on the Fridays that I do take zero DTs and I do well. oftentimes it's like, yo, I got the entry I wanted, but the entry got sweeter, and it's like, oh yeah, I could have waited like 15, 20 minutes or 15, 30 minutes, maybe an hour, and I would have been it would have been an even better entry. And it's like, oh, I may have made money, but the money would have been like a lot sweeter if I just waited. All right, so we got the SPY trying to push up to start off. Ooh, SoFi quickly going for that high. All right, I'll just yeah. I'm gonna put everything on the 1 hour for now. Yeah, see how things looking on the 1 hour. Did also, I'm not sure if I said good morning, Mahishu. If I didn't, good morning. If I did, good morning again. Okay. Timothy will tell if silver was good or bad idea. Oh, time with oh you're okay. All right, now y'all oh instance. Said Coinbase taking off. Let's see. Let's see where coin is. How it's looking on the day. If it all yeah, 7%. Nice. All right, cool, cool. Hey, not trying to leave anybody out. Let's see. Where was it? All right, so 5 pulling back. Hey, Bitcoin going up. Where's MSTR? MSTR is not quite up as much as coin, but actually let me see for coin again. We got the dollar dropping. Dollar almost right at 100. Let's see how the VIX looking. VIX dropping right now. Yo, it's a glorious morning. Oh, and looks like I got a little delivery coming my way. Oh, also those of you who were on the stream yesterday. Oh, apologies about the abrupt ending. I like the electrician came through and then like I saw the lights flash and I was like, oh shoot. I was like the stream. I was like, I just told him I'd be back. And then I was like, well, that's gonna knock out the internet. That turned off my computer and all that stuff. So I was like, yeah, that's not gonna work. Okay, silver dipping theta dot eta. Yeah, that's bro. This week has been a terrible. Like, unless you're like swinging at like certain levels, like swinging and then just grabbing it in the morning, it's been bad. Even the swing I did yesterday, like it hit my target, but like the the actual point, like that, I just got a bad contract. But nah, that trade was actually good, or at least the trade plan, like the charting was good. And yeah, there if I had bought closer to the money, that would have done well. It just took a little bit longer than I was looking at. Hey, I'll be right back. I got something coming or something on my doorstep. I'm just slide it in real quick. All right, we're still making our moves up though. Still making our moves up. Be right back. All right, we back. All right, let's see. Honestly, like if my hope is that we kind of close slightly red on this first candle. Doesn't need to be anything crazy, but yeah, just wanted to be slightly red or red. So I know that the range, the upward push of the range is like kind of chilled out. You said, what's your plan on the SPY today? Let it create its range on the 1 hour. Because if you look right here on the 1 hour, it's pushed up. I want to know that this range is done pushing before. And then ideally, if it is, it's like it looks like we got some liquidity like right here. And we can, probably target like what's this? It's at 668.50. Probably target that high from there. Get a little $3 move from that. That's money. And just be go for it zero DT because honestly this week has been very like if you have you been trying to day trade, it's been very, very bad for it. Like I think every day I have actually looked at the day this week. It's like after the stream's over, nothing happened. On stream, nothing happened. And maybe today will be different. But yeah, all the movement has been in after hours. So we'll see. Like I would think today could be different. It already looks good with like just the push up off the bottom, but it's like definitely got to wait for it because otherwise we'll just they could just trap us in that same stuff they were doing already. Or maybe like I may have explained that wrong a little bit. I said I'm waiting to know that it's done going up, but I also want to know that it's done going down at the same time. So it might take even longer. I don't know. Let me see it on the 15 real quick. Just bro, yeah, that's mad choppy. I'm gonna say this level still looks nice though. Actually, on the cool, that does look like a like here. Let me see what this looks like if I jump up to the 1 hour. If I were trading on the 15, this is solid. Let's see, 1 hour. Yeah, I might just like whoa. This is gonna be the level I target today. My target upside from there. I already see we're crossed to the upside. See, we got that up there. So I'm a kind of like, yeah, look to this 200 moving average, slightly above this resistance up here. If we can come down here first, I'll probably just go for that because I think this is going to hold. And then also, if it comes down beyond that, like on the 1 hour, then it's going to just be done, or it's not going to happen today because today's stream is like shorter. So we'll see. But that's what I like us to come back and test this area and then and then continue the trend. Monica, top of the morning. Yeah, I'm doing well. Hope you're doing well. With SoFi kind of yeah, SoFi high a day. There's some resistance here, but if it wants to, oh, it's trying to, hey, it's pushing into it. It's trying to push into it. Bitcoin got up to 73K 30 or 330. All right, so SPY is oh, it's trying to go for it. We got the dollar dropping some more, so that might lead to some more pushing of things. Yeah, let me also look at the cues too. Let me see. nothing necessarily clear on the cues either, or at least not on the 50. Actually, hold up. The cues actually may have just done it if you're looking on a 15, like what I was looking for on the SPY. Because it's like if you were looking at this kind of small range right here, this would be where you were looking for the sweep. But also, wait, this is from, yeah, it's like a dollar move right there. It's already kind of going. So the SPY doesn't look like it gave it to us or like it's going to. May have missed that quick morning move. We'll see. Still may get opportunity. But yeah, it's like, bro, it's annoying sometimes that it's like sometimes you gotta watch both of these. Like one of them will do it and the other won't. It's looking like the Qs did today. Because that same spot, this candle right here, the Qs came back to sweep that over here, which this was the entry right here. Ideally, trade would have looked like entry on this level, and then you first your target would have been where the green is right now. Like it wouldn't be anything necessarily far, but it's like now you might look up to here or here. So that's one trade that had I been looking, may have been able to ride on the cues. Kind of a little upsetting, just a little bit. Cause yeah, it did come back down for that real quick, but I was just watching the SPY. So yeah, we kind of moving. Wouldn't be so. I looks like we're about to come for this liquidity up here. Another potential trade idea. A entry of this liquidity, trading back down to like maybe 690.50. I'm not going for that. And then also we can see what happens over here. I'm gonna zoom out, look at some other perspectives now as well. All right, so I see we also got some liquidity over here. Let me see what it looks like on the 1 hour. Yeah, this is gonna be an area of resistance right here. Nothing like too major though. Let me see what it looks like on the 4. Yeah. Yeah, this looks like somewhere I might actually lean more towards the short. Yeah, since that upside move already kind of played out. Let me just okay. Let me see where, hold on. So we're still in downward trending kind of area. We have kind of been respecting. So I guess we'll kind of watch the hike and ashes. I'm gonna throw them down to like maybe the 1 minute. See how we look on that. So I think I'm gonna try to catch a reversal zero TD or zero DTE kind of some reversal zero DTE kind of action. I think this is probably a good level right here. But I'm gonna see. All right, let's see. Let's see what the contracts are looking like. I like this level right here for like a little zero DT kind of short, but we can also like blast off too. What is it? Look at SPY. What? Oh, okay. So it's SoFi showing strength a little bit, but it's also meeting some levels too. All right, let me get back up to my 4 hour real quick because see where I was like looking at. Oh yeah, I'm gonna just hey, I'm gonna just go ahead. I'm gonna take a zero DT. Wait, let me see. Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna just grab one. All right, I just grabbed a. I don't like the strike. I just grabbed one. A 666 puts on the spy that expires today. And we'll kind of see. We'll kind of see. Let me go back. I'm gonna continue to watch. They're still moving up. Bro, the Qs are going crazy. All right, let me take back to the 15. All right, so overbought on the 15 on the Qs and the SPY. The Qs look like they're going crazy. I kind of want to see what's behind it on the Qs. The VIX we do have dropping, like dropping. The dollar is like dropping. If that doesn't stop, I will get like kicked out, but we'll see. I I actually think this will do well on the day. But also sitting here waiting for I got in the trade a little early just because of what I think's going to happen. But here, let's see. I think it has good odds, good I like the probabilities and also like risk reward look kind of cool. It's like if they want to like give me something quick this morning, I'm here for it. Also, yo, shout out to the 19 of you that decided to roll through, smash that like button, and exude that energy this morning. Appreciate you, family. And then to the rest of you that didn't, yo, appreciate you being here regardless. Hopefully we get a little turnaround action here and get some bread. All right, let's also let me see how my MSTR is doing. I did see the portfolio looking nice and green. Oh, I'm back in the green on MSTR. Bro, just been up and down with that. I feel like my entry was actually like a little bit more like this way. Yeah, bring that down a little bit more. I didn't quite get it at the top. All right, so right now up like I think I told y'all I paid like 66 per share or something or 64. I got it for 63 per share. But I'm up like $3 on it right now. Is movement is being made. I've never seen so many sixes on my screen right now though. The contract is the 666 strike. The price of the contract is 660 or no 66 cents per share. Now it's 67, but Yami, what's up? Hey, thank you. Thank you are great at what you do. You're being 53. Hey, I'm glad. Hey, that's what it's about. Appreciate you. Appreciate you very much. But yeah, we just gotta keep learning. Gotta keep learning and like honestly keep up with the times because it's like things are changing a lot now. So it's like kind of like the day you stop learning, it can I guess you get left behind. But all right, that's quick. Saw that 19%. It's at 15% now. But yeah, quick little reversal on that. I actually cannot confirm reversal, but I can say that this wasn't a confirmed breakout. So that's chill. Bro, the Q's got it looking wild. Bro, Bitcoin, high a day right here. Love to see it. SoFi, hit that 48 EMA and said, okay, that's enough pushing for now. All right, so back to about 20% up. Oh no, okay, I'm gonna stop talking about the exact position. We'll just like we'll look at the candles and look at the chart, and then if I guess the next kind of key level, I'll review it. Don't need to watch the contract so close. Sometimes I just get a little excited because I know I got people here with me. It's like I'm not sure if it's make it quick $10 or made. I'm assuming it's made. Making up for the downs. Hey, good stuff. Good stuff. You know what I'm saying? So I now know that it is made. It might be a scalp spy time. I'll be hey. I'm hoping that can just continue down, but it could be. He said I might. I probably won't. Hey, at least you're realistic and honest. I say you might, but I say you probably will. That's my bet, but we'll see. Bro, I'm thinking about food now. I'm like, ooh, what am I going to eat later today? No idea, but hopefully it's good. So we're chilling. Hey, like to see us like moving down on the hike and ashy over here. I wish we could have like this same like kind of little return here. But one thing I'd love to see is like, we kind of came down here, created this range this morning. I would love to see us like come back to that. What strike I got like the 666 strike. I think it'd be something like wild to I mean, it'd be wild to come to that, but also like come down here. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. We're back above pre-market resistance, so ultimately, I guess we'll see what happens here. But I'm here for the stream, so we'll see. Trying to push up a little bit. Like it's technically still showing strength. Was that the exit? We still haven't got confirmation up here yet, so I'm not getting out at all until or like if the trade is against me and it looks like we're going up, I'm not getting out at all until it's at least confirmed that it's going up. Bitcoin You said told you I should have. Oh, you didn't take profit? I thought you took profit. I thought you were saying you were going to do it again. I thought you were saying today is a scalp day. But I'm gonna say it's too soon to know, honestly. We didn't even get confirmation. But one thing I will say is it's gonna be very difficult if you're trying to like execute lots of things on different time frames. I know that today I am only trading for today, so I'm not trying to get any like swings or anything today. So because I am clear with that, I know like it's not gonna hurt me. But if I were like doing where I'm like normally looking on the 4 hour and then I'm not saying I wasn't looking on the 4 hour, but like if I'm doing like where it's like, oh, I want to swing, but also trying to day trade at the same time, that's where I notice I get kind of like upset in those moments because it's like, hey, I entered this trade because of what I saw on the 4 hour, but then like I got out by something that I saw on like a 5 minute. So um it's like on those lower time frames you will notice that like it will go against you multiple times, but ultimately will be working in your direction, even though it won't feel like it because you're watching those those smaller candles. It's kind of like a muscle you need to work out. If silver will just drop under 75, 55. No, I took profit. I didn't do it. Oh, okay. Okay, I got get what you're saying. Hey, we'll see. Hey, look, 75, 63 on silver, 62 on silver. I'll let you know if I see the 55. Yeah, we still just yeah, we just holding right here. Yeah, I would like to see this 15 RSI on the 15 minute on the spot. I would love to get see that get oversold. Okay. Spy trying to make a new low since entry. Let's see, silver 75. Oh no, yeah, I'll leave it alone for a bit. Okay, new low on spy 670. It was at 47, but we'll see. It's kind of like if we look over here. Oh, didn't mean to do that. Oh, hold up. There's something I need to do actually. Let me check. Yeah, I need to slide that up a little bit. There we go. All right. We got the Q's back below its pre-market resistance. Good look there. Oh shoot, I didn't even realize. Hey, Up 30% on this contract. That is hey, typically, yo, once I hit 30%, it's like I try to make sure I at least take profit. Like I should not go red on this trade. So this contract is up $21. It's up 30%. I only have one contract, so I want to like kind of see what like keep going and see what happens with it. But if I had multiples, I for sure would take profit at like 30% on some of them. But now I'm back down to like 20%, 11%. Hey, these contracts move fast with these zero DTEs. It's no game. But all right, we got Bitcoin trying to move higher. Let's go. Let's go, Bitcoin, baby. This video is sponsored to you by water or brought to you by water. Make sure you're hydrated. Stay hydrated. It's good for you. Hold on, let's see. I'm gonna look something up. Okay, yo, selling off somewhere. All right, 36%. Let me I was about to look something up. Okay. Yo, moving lower. Let's go. All right, so contract up 66%, $42. Hey, that's a solid little zero DTE right there. All right, so was this is a zero DTE, right? Let's see. Hey, oh, okay. Well, they be playing games with some of these contracts sometimes. Where'd my mouse go? Come on, bring it down some more, please. And then Bitcoin go do your thing. And top of the morning. Top of the morning. I've been watching USO. It seems you said direct inverse. Yeah, how's USO looking today? Real quick. Let's see. I guess that means it's down on the day. I know it was going crazy. Okay. Like just for historical purposes, I want to see this like continue to like blast higher. But like when it comes to the actual effects of it blasting higher, I want none of that. But I do, kind of enjoy watching USO go up. Like not even gonna lie about that. Uh, come on, Spy, let's go. Come on. All right, y'all. So I just took profit on that contract. Um, I didn't want to be greedy, so I took $40 profit, 63%, and I will call that kind of a win for the day. Now, if there is anything else y'all want to look at, I will take watch list trades with y'all. But that's the only actual trade I'll take today. I know this market environment's kind of like, you said pray for SP. Oh, let's see SPX. You said just because I have hey, bro, it's I don't want people to have like it's like I gotta admit I do feel good like, oh yeah, I'm glad I drive something electric right now. But it's like I don't want people to suffer like a lot like in these instances, like it becomes a little inconvenient for me too, because it's like if I know, yeah, we can look at MU. It's like if I know, like for instance, I have a friend, like it's like, oh, we can go to your place or we can go to my place. If I know they have to pay for gas out the wazoo, it's like, all right, let's go to your place. But I personally would rather be at my place because I like being home. So it's like now it's like, oh yeah, just because I don't want them to spend money on their gas and stuff, like if they don't have to, it's like, oh yeah, let's go either hang out closer to you or let's whatever. But here, let's see MU um right now uptrend, kind of pushing the range. So on the day, I don't really have the pre-market range or anything like that. All right, actually, let me go back to 4 hour real quick. Oh, look at the SPY going some more. Could have got some more money there, but I was like, yo, I'm satisfied. Um, so yeah, congrats to those of you like who took that, and those of you still riding. All right, so MU, I would say past here, there's going to be resistance at like 36. There are like other resistances too. This is the 4 hour time frame, but like if you catch it at 36 today, that's going to be like a harder line right there of resistance. Um, coming down on the 1 hour, it's still trying to create a range. Like MU is still moving up. So ideally, I don't know if you're doing anything on the day, you're riding the trend. Like it's going up. Um, I might try to look for a pullback to an EMA or something, but it's like moving pretty aggressively. Like even on the 1 hour, it's like okay, it's just kind of moved back below, but or not 1 hour on the 1 minute. You can see there's some support kind of at like this 23, 24 area. If I'm trying to like hop in on a pullback and continue to ride the trend up, that's kind of it right there. All right, I'm curious. Let me check on that SPY contract. I feel like that hit over 100%. Let me see. Where is it? Where is it at? Would I get in for like I got in for like 63? Not quite 100, but that was almost. It's like 80, 90%. All right, so yeah. Honestly, right now with MU, I'm trying to I would be trying to like catch the continuation on that to the upside. Let's see. So that's my take on MU. And then Adobe. What's up, Sherry? Hey, I saw Adobe had earnings and I'm like, ooh. All right, so I'm kind of watching Adobe. Like right now, we can see their EMAs just crossed the downside again. I know their CEO announced he's going to be stepping down. I would think it can come down more just because, like, the next major level I'm looking for Adobe is 207. But I will say their balance sheet, their revenues are accelerating. Like you can see they keep beating, but they keep coming down. So long term, I think this is an amazing pickup. But it's like when it comes to hey, what level is next? So it did create a level down here, which we'll slide that one there. Like so kind of has supported about this 250 area. But really, oh well. And then there was also this over here. But I think we already kind of reacted at that level and like try to move up a little bit. But really, yeah, next major level is going to be down at this like 208, 209 area. So really depends on your time frame, but like when it comes to what is going to happen, like if you're looking for a trade on Adobe today, I would probably wait till next week. Like it might, I would think, I can see it like pulling back to like 260 or so before going back down, or it can get some catalyst and just like skyrocket. I don't know. Let me check in on that SPY contract again. Just see how it's doing. Okay. Okay. All right. So that's 100%. I'm not in the trade anymore, but that's 100%. So congrats to anybody like riding that. Honestly, I will say there is the potential for it to go all the way down here today. I was just satisfied with my profits. And I also know how this market can be. So I'm like, I'm not even trying to do that. Whenever the stream's over today, I don't even want to I don't want anything to do with the market. So let's see. You said looking for a swing trade, so waiting. Hey, I'm gonna say, if we catch Adobe, if Adobe comes to this 207, I think that's the final boss. I don't think it's coming any lower than that. So I think that is level for leaps. That is level for like I don't think it's coming lower than that. Well, actually, like there are like little wait, actually I don't here, let me see. I don't think so. I do not think so. It's already insane how much it's come back. I mean, there's 180, but actually, nah, there's no way. I'm gonna call like yeah, I'm gonna call 207, 208 final boss. Let's see how it's looking on the weekly too. Like on the yeah, it's already oversold. Like on the weekly RSI. I don't think it'll get like too much more. I think it can like dip some more, and I think it can come here, but I don't think it'll. Um, you said 235 here. Let me see. Yeah, there's a little bit there, like at the 230 area. Yeah, actually, there's a little resistance. Yeah, over here. I was looking at the bottom, but yeah, you do have this like little area over here. You can still kind of see it being, yeah, around this 230 area. Um, since bid ask is large. Oh no, yeah, that's a trouble. But yeah, SPY is like you look at these 15-minute candles over here. Yo, you got some strength coming down. Hey, love to see it keep going. Love to see it keep going. Let's see. Here, I'm gonna add that contract to my watch list. All right, so yeah, Spy made that full like first trade I was looking for. I just got an alert. Oh yeah, that's money. Hey, thank you, Sherry. Yo, I'm curious. Did anybody else hop in on the Spy puts? Bro, please tell me y'all are getting this money. I know some of y'all like to hold longer than me. Oh, that's nice. This was the area I was looking at for like it to come up though. So I probably like if I'm not trying to be in anything all day, this probably be where I'd be like full out. Unless I had like depending on how many contracts I have, I'll probably still have like two. Like assuming I started with like anywhere from 5 to 10. Adobe to pay DOJ 75 million in settlement over subscription cancellation practices. Bro, what was it like to cancel my Adobe subscription? 661 puts, target 665. I was I mean, yeah, it could definitely get there. I was like I think it's possible for us to come to this low down here today for us to get back there. But yeah, there is some support over at this like 66 or 665 and 666 area on the morning. All right, just got an alert on Apple. Let's see what's going on with Apple. Let's see. Where's Apple? Oh, it's okay. Apple is testing its pre-market support. Okay. Oh, dang. Okay. No, Spy moving now. Mahishu, I'm in a QQQ. Is that the same QQQ put you had last week? Did you take profit on that or did you and get back in again or did you are you just holding that same contract? Tony Matt, top of the morning. Your trading is blessed. I appreciate you, family. Hey, yeah. Yes, blessed with the time to actually come in and I don't know, blessed, yeah, blessed with the ability to have the time to or take the time to learn all this and have all the events in life that led me to wanting to learn this skill. All right, hey. Oh, I keep saying one time. Hey, First Timothy, like Tim, yo, missed it doing Morning workout. Yo, low key, I'm about to start. I still got these weights in here. Might do a couple curls on like while I'm just here. But honestly, it hasn't slowed down, so I don't need to. But if it slows down, I might do it. Hey, but his shoe, love to hear that because I wanna say like maybe it was Monday. I was like, yo, I remember Mahishu had that contract. I don't know if she took profit on it. I hope she did. And yeah, I was like, yo, I know Mahishu has a bag because I think we had like a solid gap down. Yeah, that is what I love to hear, Mahishu. That is what, yes. I love it. Love it. Keep that up. Yo, if y'all look here on the 1 minute, honestly, the hike and Ashley's, they haven't actually they did. I was gonna say up until this one right here, up until 9:19 or 2 minutes ago, whatever time zone you're in, the hike and Ashley's were just going red. So if you were just riding those, that would have taken you all the way down here. All right, Silver reached the target. Has said, too bad I got out. Knowing I was right is almost better than the miss. Hey, no, yeah. It's like you're building confidence for the future. It's like you gotta protect your capital. So it's like, yeah, you're if you're not trading with this much, you're not gonna ride as far, or you shouldn't be, because if you're willing to ride stuff all the way up and you have a small account, oftentimes you're willing to like ride it back down too. So yeah, it's like it's important to protect your capital at like all costs. And it's like seeing that proof of concept definitely builds that confidence. All right, so this might be a spot for a call on the cool, because here, I'm gonna get one for the watch list, but also know that there's only about an hour left on stream. So yeah, let's see. Looking for about that 70. All right, so if I were doing, I'm gonna add the 672 call to my watch list on the SPY. Zero DT. Oh, the price was going up. So I added it at 84. I'm just gonna take a little watch. Oh, hold on. Little watch list call right here. See, let me get that. Where would I actually? So where I was, I'm only trying to watch it. Maybe first target is gonna be like 669.39. Then about 680. So nothing crazy. Yeah. I just wanna where was the all right, so it's up like $6, $7. So these are it's a scalp until like it actually goes on. Doing okay on overnight holds. My day trades suck. I know how you feel, Imps. I think the reason that your day trades suck is we have been in an environment like this past week where you shouldn't have been day trading unless you were going for like a quick scalp. Henry, top of the morning. Oh, they're about to start cutting the line. Hey, look at Bitcoin go. Here, I'm gonna slide the dollar up this other screen. See how that's looking real quick. Go look on the. Let's take it to the 15. All right, starting to. Looks like it's starting to like try to pull back again. Oh yeah, be sure to hit the like button. Yeah, we love to see it go up. Like to share that big like energy, you know? Ooh, let's go. Wow. Okay, so actually, yeah, hold up. Let me pull Bitcoin back up. I was looking for 74K. Bit I won't be surprised. Oh, hold up. You might have to like following up on this spy like trade I got in. I will call out if it ends up being confirmed like invalid as well. So I got eyes on that. But as of right now, it's not invalid yet. But Bitcoin is one that I can see going a lot higher over the weekend. It's like it doesn't have to because it could also very well get slapped down. But I could see a lot of upside movement from this over the weekend as well. All right, so one thing that's a little annoying about Bitcoin is the fact that like it kind of continues beyond what is it? It continues beyond like our regular trading hours. So I think this candle, what's today? Friday. This weekly candle closes on Wednesday. So I would like to see this candle, like for instance, up here. But like if we look at last week's Bitcoin candle, it got to like right here, like a little bit higher than where it is now. And then, it ended up closing down here. So it's like I don't exactly feel comfortable, but it's like I would love to see this close above this 200 average. That's a good sign. So it looks good right now, but it's like very well you could get slapped down. Hey, Maheshu, you have a wonderful and blessed weekend as well. I hope we take a nice dip so you can wake up or come back to the market with some nice profits. MSen said, "Wow, I have one free XRP. Wait, one free XRP finally in? Oh, I got you. I got you. Hey, I hope therapy is very therapeutic, Mahishu. Oh, also appreciate y'all for the likes. See y'all getting the number creeping up. Okay. I was about to say something. I don't know what. Oh, okay. I was looking at Meta just now. What's up with Meta? Oh, dang. I didn't even see it dip. Hold up. Bro, when did Meta dip like this? What's going on with Meta? Meta delayed public launch of AI model Avocado. Meta's Frontier AI reportedly lagged rivals in internal tests. Bro, I'm trying to learn all these AIs right now. And tell me now you're telling me there's an avocado I gotta learn too. Hey, well, looking forward to it. All right, so that watch list call I grabbed it's up like $3. It's not doing anything right now. Hey, the big bucks would be for it to like come back and test pre-market high, but right now I would like to see here. We'll see. This could be something that completely dies, but as of right now, where this candle is, it's looking like it could end up. Yeah, it's looking like it could end up going somewhere. Let's see. Ah, okay. Yeah, that was a black candle, but it had a lot buying pressure. Okay, so pushing up a little bit more. All right, so first target looks like it's about hit. Okay, it just hit first target, and that contract is up. It's up like 6, 7%. Nothing crazy. All right, back up at that level again. Yeah, who's that? Oh, there in my okay. Okay, so first price target hit, next price target. Yeah, let me just slide that up. It'll be about 669.80. So that contract's up like 13%, trying to go for that next area. Once again, this trade I'm not actually in. This is just a watch list, but it's going for next price target. Okay, hit it. So that's 22%. All right, next price target. Let me see. Honestly, I would say back to that pre-market resistance would be what I'm looking at. So this is 670. That contract's up 27%. Next price target up here. Maybe a double top can come into play. Hmm. Bro, MSTR looking good. Okay, Bitcoin almost back to that level. Let me see. And that SPY trying to push up, the contracts up like right under 30%. Hey, that one's almost to the point where I'm like, yo, gotta make sure you come out with some kind of profit again. Yeah, but Bitcoin, it's trying to get back. I'm gonna take this to a 15. A nice little running run. All right, so pulling back. So it looks like it hit the first two targets, and now it's like, oh, I'm it's done. Bro, that contract went to break even quick. Bro, honestly, hold up. I'm at hey, this is aside from what I was just talking about, but like that whole like meta AI avocado is bro, I'm sure that's gonna be something exciting too. Love to see what kind of capabilities that has. All right, so Spy starting to look like it's like getting rejected. Like that's some seven some top heavy selling pressure. I'm gonna be real. But we'll see. We could this could be like a point where we kind of start consolidating on the day, trading sideways. Or maybe we move down some more. I don't know. But yeah, it's yeah, we're settling down. Let me see what the weather's like. Yeah, that's trying to go come down. Oh, it's like 55 degrees right now. Yo, trying to move back up. Yo, I need some calories. Yo, I'm gonna take a. You said why is your chart a little different on TradingView with my I don't know what you're gonna finish, but one thing I would say to look at. I don't know what asset you're looking at. Depending on what time frame and whatnot, you may or may not have this option. But here, let me make sure you can see it real quick. Hold on. So down here at the bottom, if I click, like you see right here, it shows time zone, and just to the right of that, there's this ETH right here where it says extended trading hours. Um, you're not going to be able to see this if you're on a time zone greater than like 7 hours, just for the record. And then also like certain like if you're on the SPX or anything where it doesn't necessarily move in the after hours, certain assets, you're also not going to see this. You may not see it on like a Bitcoin. Let me see. Yeah, you don't notice how it goes away when I click on Bitcoin. But if I'm on like a regular stock like the SPY and I'm on the 15 minute, right here where it says like time zone and just to the right of that it shows extended trading hours. I can click on that. Notice like look at this chart right here. If I click on regular trading hours, it changes. It looks very different. Some of the places where I was getting my information from, like you can see this red line right here. I got this from somewhere, but it looks completely different. So I like to make sure I have all my like information and have that extended trading hours on. Here, let's see. Hey, Philip. Hey, top of the morning, top of the morning. Hope all is well. Here, let me Yo, appreciate you coming through this week. Stand up. I've been sitting down too long. All right, so coming down, that second trade didn't work out so well. I don't think it's going to. I'm gonna close that out. All right, Bullish Grim started following your Robinhood option trade videos a few months back. Just want, hey, appreciate that. Appreciate that. I'm glad it's helpful. SPX gap fill. Always going for it right now. And also, let me see what the gap looks like on that, so I can see what you're talking about. Oh yeah, that would be a nice move right there. Nice little move. That would be something that I like to see. Phil said crypto finally making a sustained move. I'm hoping. It's like I won't really know until till I guess after what is it? After I guess Sunday, Monday. Cause it's like if we take a look at Bitcoin right now, like on the weekly, we can see last week, yo, it popped up to like pretty much the same level it's at right now, but like look at where it closed. All right. So we don't see the close of this till Monday. We still got two days, 10 hours on this candle. So ultimately, let's see. All right, I'm curious on like how that first contract we got in this morning is doing. I know I took profit on it, but let me see. I'm like real quick. Yeah, I think hey, it's looking nice. It's looking nice. But yeah, it's like I would love to see this Bitcoin like hold this level over the weekend. But we do have good news for crypto. But they also like to fake us out, so I guess we'll just have to see. Let's see what the last day that it popped up. Let's see what day that was. What day of the week? That was like on a Wednesday. So Wednesday this week we were like over here. So I don't know. Maybe we come higher. That'd be a that is very well welcomed from me. So 1 minute head and shoulders. Hey, don't forget about the knees and toes. No, I'm kidding. Let's see. Bro, I don't even like I do have okay, I see what you're talking about. I was gonna say I don't even mess with the 1 minute, but I kinda do for watching and riding momentum. And we said Bitcoin trying to come, hey, that is very well welcome. I feel like Bitcoin will try to come back. I feel like I can see it coming back to like 80K or so and then getting like swatted back down. I don't know, but that first move to 80K, or if it wants to like go up and just like if it wants to gap up to like 90K or something over the weekend, I won't be mad. I'll like take my profits on Monday and then um I'll look to just let it do what it does. Why do I still have this here? All right, so yeah, moving on down on that spy put. Definitely won't be mad. I'm heavy in BMNR. Yeah, I'm got like a leap on MSTR right now, so we're trying to see. You said that's been the pattern. It's yeah, it's like if you zoom out on Bitcoin, like Yeah, right now it's still in the downtrend. But the thing about the downtrend, like on the weekly, is like you got this move down right here. Like you see this violent move. If you take, wait, what? Yeah, you throw a little Fibonacci on this move down, or here, let's say it stopped here. Oh wait, hold up. It makes sense for it to come somewhere in here before like pulling back. Oh, let's see. All right, some people show charts saying no, yeah, I think that it could bullish grim. I yeah, charts do show like you see I got this line down here at like 50,430. Like that is like yo, we got some liquidity. I think it's like actually like 49,700, but I want to be alerted like a little before it so I can like kind of prep for it and like if I need to move money around somewhere, have the money in place to do the things I want to do. Hey, Christopher Kimbro, yo, have a blessed weekend. Oh, bro, look at bro, that contract is about $1 from the money now. Bro, talk about should have held. Oh yeah, that contract's up like 200% too. Should have held. I got it out like 60. Let's see. Everyone is knocking Tom Lee for calling the bottom wrong on Ethereum, but I still agree with what he's saying about. Hey, bro, everyone wants to get on him when he's wrong, and everyone wants to ride him when he's right. So it's like, yo, bro, Tom Lee is Tom Lee to me, and bro, it's like if I agree with him about something, it's like it's chill. It's like it's chill. But honestly, I don't really know the use case or what he says about the use case. I know I have like some locked up, like, but um, I think it will go higher, but I'm not like too crazy on it. Should I wait for 662 on the 4 hour for QQQ before entering? You said 4 hour. Are you looking for calls? You said 662. Wait, what? Wait for 662 on QQQ. Uh, Six. Are you talking about 602? I don't know. Right now, the levels to look out for me. Right now, the Qs looks like it's good for more downside. Like I would look for, like if I'm on the 4 hour, it looks like it's on its way back to this low right here, possibly to make a new low. That's what I'm taking. So that's like the put I grabbed on the SPY. I just took because I was taking the zero DT. I think like I just took a quick one. I think we're coming back down here ultimately to this 661. And I think the Qs is going to do the same thing and come back down to this low or make a new low. All right, so hey, got that gap fill. Hey, I know you made a bag, see smooth. Hey, yo, happy for you, family. When everyone starts hating on Tom Lee, buy everything, market's going up. Bro, I'm gonna say, hey, always be buying. Well, not always be buying. Hey, when the market is dipping, always be buying. Actually, don't take that to heart. Some people, bro, you might be broke before it, or not broke, but may not have anything before it even hits the bottom. So they must be talking about SPY. That dip you just showed with Bitcoin, I'm satisfied to say to look bullish on Bitcoin. It didn't take the 55K mark in the graph. Uh, 45, 50K. I say it's a good move to say it can enter a bull market. SPY at hourly fair value gap, volume, change upside. Only hard this is take into consideration. Or no, yeah, that's what I'm saying. Like, yeah, you can come to a level and like legit. It's like, yeah, you can say Bitcoin whales, but it's like, yo, the Bitcoin whales probably have algorithms. So all it takes is like one little bit of news and the price will like flush and then trigger massive buys at levels and whatnot. So yeah, it could be a dude in the basement. Or it could be something programmed by a dude in the basement. All you need is, bro, just knowledge of AI and boom, you can program stuff. Like I'm working on getting AI to like learn my trading style. And I think it'd be cool for me to like sell that or something. But I still need to figure out how it all works. But like I'm working on like teaching AI like how I trade so it can be a better trader than me. Here, let's see. Caught on my put, added at 662 put. Hey, nice. Nice. Said true a program in the basement. Hey, that's what hey, they try to convince me I'm getting old too, but I'm like, yo. I was like, bro, I think I was at the dentist a couple weeks ago. I said something like, oh, they said something about my age. They're like, oh yeah, something about getting old. I was like, I'm not old. I'm like, yo, you're as young as you feel. I'm gonna be real. I feel like pain does last longer, but it's like also I feel great. Options grow top of the morning. I hope your options have been growing since the last time I have seen your name, bro. That contract, bro. If I would have known, I mean, hindsight's 2020. But had I known it'd be like right here. Wait, hold up. Inside Chase's push to become the startup world's new Silicon Valley bank. Oh, okay. Okay, I just saw something about SVB. I'm like, oh shoot. But it's just just a little headline. Nothing like actually critical. Call the pairs my wisdom indicators. Hmm. Hold up. Oh, the pains. I got you. You said I'm about 35. Yeah, I just turned 29. But yeah, that's like you said it just gets better, bro. Bro, no, what's crazy is like bro, the amount of sleep. Well, actually, I don't like sleep like crazy, but It's like I realized like, yo, I need the sleep. I used to just be able to like nonstop. So it's like the fact that I'm like, oh, I need the sleep. It's crazy. You said the 30s, my man. You know, I want my 30s to be like my teens. We'll see. We'll see. But, all right, I don't know why. There's something satisfying about like grass being mowed. And they're like in my yard like, mowing it right now. I just like to watch. I'm 30 now, 31 in July. Knee pain starting to. Hey, that's one thing I can say is like actually kind of like reverse for me. It's like bro, I had a lot more knee pain in like high school. And I was scared like my knees would be a lot worse now. And it's like I run a lot, like a lot. Like I think this week I've already ran like 25 miles. I'll probably run another 5 today. Yo, my knees are great. You said Midwest Carl, let's walk by. Hey, y'all get in where y'all fit in. Bro, hey, Spy is at 665. Bro, that contract. Hey, next week I'm gonna have to grab two so I can just like let one go. Bro, I paid 64 for that contract, got out at like 103. Bro, that contract is at 269 now. And the thing is, I had to like I said where it could go, but hey, it is what it is. But if I had known it would do this while I was on stream, bro, we be we be in that thing. But man, bro, they like to tease me a little bit. Yo, big W for real, for real. Anybody still riding, bro? Big W's. Hey, you know when they don't give you like any real trades during the week, it's gonna be a good Friday, even though it's Friday the 13th. Y'all know it can actually get nasty today. Hey, that's right, Midwest Carl. Yeah, that's all that matters. I think the thing that matters most to me is like it's like, yo, we get in, we get the trade, but I just want to be out of the trade by the time I have other things I need to do. If I'm taking the day trade, that's like my priority. If I'm taking the swing trade, then it's like, oh man, I wish I was still in that. But day trade, I am like happy with that. Hit my target, but sold too early as well. Hey, hit your target. That's cool. Okay, Bullish Grim. What programs am I thinking of using for my AI? Um, Bro, I don't even know. So right now I am messing around with a lot of stuff. Like I got oh hold up. Nah, okay. I thought her hat said something else. But right now I am Chat GPT is the smartest, but I just started paying for Grok and not Grok, started paying for Claude and started using that a little bit more. I'm on the Google as well and Grok too. So I am doing that. Like I know Claude is the most capable for the stuff I would be trying to do. But yeah, it's like right now, Chat GPT kind of knows the most. But I did like kind of watch something on how they easily migrate all that information. So I have to do that. And then like from there, we'll see. I also have like what is it? A Mac mini. And I'm like still like with the open claw. still trying to figure out how I completely want to set it up. Like I have it where like right now my Mac Mini is kind of just bot status. It can do certain things. I have it like running kind of like morning optimization for me, but I need to get it like I need to still learn how to get it to do more. So uh it's kind of like in my free time I do that, but it's like when my wife's around and it's like if I am just doing stuff like that, I don't really have much free time. So it's like she needs to be somewhere with her friends or whatever for that stuff. Bro, Spy is at 665. It's about to be 664, bro. Like I was saying, yo, we could get to that low. Let me see how this check back in on the contract. Bro, they're paying money today. Okay, the contract's at two. Dang. It's going up an additional $200. I've been wanting to work on getting raw AI. What is raw AI? Let me see what that is. I'm not even familiar with it. Or let me ask AI about raw AI. Let's see. Bro, I'll be happy whenever Apple finally switches over to having Google Gemini as their AI. That's part of the reason why I have Chat GPT, like just kind of where it is because it's kind of integrated with the Apple a little bit. Oh, that's a bullish grim. That's exactly what it was just saying. It says content generated directly by an AI model without editing or human refinement. You said Gemini is actually kind of low key. I will. Yeah, I definitely have some ways need to go to understand stuff, but it's like yo, it's definitely up in a lot of things too, and like in the background, bro, it's making my life easier. Hold on, real quick. All right, let's see. You said I don't like new chat or Grok. Let's see. Yeah, spy put is. You said it's more for consumers. Yeah, I can see that. I like the agentic mode on Grok. I would say I'm still I would say I'm still kind of consumer. I still have some consumer like tasks. I'm not like too into the coding yet, but I'm learning and understanding it and like really getting to a point. But no, like Chat GPT is helping me with like systems and stuff. So it's that's gonna end up coming back to y'all in some way. I was actually thinking because of my red streaks to take a break and pick back up. Oh, bro, definitely do that. Definitely. Like yeah, figure that mess out. I'm trying to like y'all I know y'all see like the content on my channel is like this is the content on my channel, the live streams right now. I'll say probably it'll probably be like this till March. It's like I do have some videos I'm recording, but I'm probably not uploading anything till at least March, or not March, till at least May, just because I can't really be consistent or anything. So kind of just let it do what it does. I don't want to like make a banger video, have a bunch of people here, and then it's like, oh yeah, I'm not keeping that up right now. So it's like I'll let it like build up. You say, yeah, not a computer wise. Don't get it twisted. Okay, queues dumping when call time. I'm not honestly, I'm not sure I would look for a call time today. Like unless we come back to the low, like unless you get the queues at like 589, I wouldn't confidently say that calls are a move. Like don't count out the fact that we already have a massive move today. And we started out the first move for the day was a call, so it's like it could be good for the market to just kind of die and stop moving now. But yeah, this is a massive move. It's like honestly, it's probably honestly wouldn't surprise me if it kept moving down to like the pre-market low, which is 662, and then below that, if it gets to 661.70, it's like I would consider a call. But remember, the trend is your friend, and the trend right now is down. So it's like if you're taking any swings or whatnot, ideally you took the swing from where I like first like took that entry, because that I took that entry because I thought like, hey, this is an extreme even for the 4 hour. So let me like I feel confident taking this right now. But Bullish Grim, you say, yeah, this is my first in the live. Oh yeah. So Bullish Grim, I do these every Friday. I actually do them every like Monday through Friday, but publicly I do them every Friday. And yeah, that's kind of how it goes. I'm gonna be real this week, like the Monday through Thursday. I feel like I may have taken some profits on Monday. Maybe I don't remember. And maybe one other day, but like other than that, it's like what is it? Other than that, this week there's hasn't really been any trades. Um AI has given a chance to give visionaries a way into a better future. Have so much trouble putting. Hey, I know how you feel. Like bro, it's definitely like bro, we're entering like a massive like I guess wealth transfer. And it's like if you don't take the time to learn it, like if you take the time to learn it, bro, your life can be completely different. And it's like I personally feel like I need to, because it's like I look around at my family and like friends and stuff, and it's like honestly see a lot of them as like people who like they will, I don't know, it's like they're good how they are right now, but it's like I feel like the people who are good how they are right now, like everything I see, it looks like you'll kind of be made redundant and not really have anything necessarily there for you anymore. So it's like I want to make sure like they're not just dependent on the government, and that like I can like provide jobs that like they can be paid to learn this stuff, because it's like they're not going to learn this stuff on their own if they're not getting any income. So it's like I would like them to understand what's going on and like be able to support themselves as well. All right, so let's see. I'm driving. You're my indicator, sort of. Okay, so it looks like right now on the 15, it looks like the SPY is trying to show a little short term bullishness. So maybe we get a little pullback up to, like, I'm looking at the 15, the 13 and the 48 on the 15 is crossing to the downside. And it looks like that's about 668. I would not be surprised if we get some kind of move back to the 668 level before continuing down. All right, so that's kind of my that is kind of my take on where things potentially go today. I could see us working our way back up to 668. And should anybody still feel like they're itching for a trade, maybe it's like, oh, let's go and like try to do that. But I don't think that move will happen while we're on stream. But also like that might also be an area for a swing, but also be aware with these swings that bro, they play games. Like I took a swing last weekend. That's what I was gonna say. Yo, I took a swing on Friday last week. And bro, it's like I think I got maybe it was a call, bro, and they gapped it down so low. And then Trump made that like that statement or whatever. And it's like that contract seemed like because I had a day on it, there was no way possible. And then the next day, it's like, oh, that contract found its way to the money, and I could have dramatically reduced my loss. I'm like, man. So it's kind of like just gotta wait. All right, let's see. So would consider calls here, but probably dead cat bounce. Yeah, that's I'm thinking dead cat too, and I'm thinking the dead count cat would be to probably the 668 area. Yeah, M said facts. Same here. I'm on that same time. That's why options are great. You can get 10, make a little cash, and only lose 10. Hey, yeah, they have their benefits and drawbacks. I lost a bag over the one I swung over the weekend, but I got it back too. But it was like over smaller trades. See how we're doing. All right, let's see. All right, yo. So we're still pushing up off the bottom. We so it looks like we kind of found the bottom so far at like 664.53. That that very well could be the low for the day. I don't know. I honestly probably will not know until what is it? Well, maybe the end of the day. I don't well, not the end of the day, but probably like I'll probably look back at some point and just be like, "Oh, that was the low." But we'll see. I would love for Bitcoin to do some more of what it was doing this morning though. That was looking nice. it didn't quite take out that high that it hit last week. So yeah, I would love to see that. Throw this hood back on. All right, so yeah, we have one bullish candle. Let's see where this next candle kind of takes us. You said, can you make a video on YouTube about swing trading or learning basic small options? So I kind of, you said trying to learn to swing trade as I've been a long-term investor. So I got a video about how to swing trade, and I have a video about how to pick the perfect options contract. So I would say between those two, that's kind of both of them. But I'm gonna say when it comes to creating videos on YouTube right now, I'm kind of like on pause till like I still have some that are being made in the background, but there's not going to be anything new until like until what is it? Till like May. Just because I'm like focused on what is it? Focused on like learning certain things and setting up processes. But I can say like if you want to learn so there's kind of two ways you can learn. I got Zoom calls. I have Zoom calls every Wednesday. And then if you're not a part of that, there are also like if you come back next Friday and it's like a more boring trade day, we only got like 13 minutes left on this Zoom or on this stream. But like if it's a more boring trading day, I can like show and share how to do that a little bit better, like live on stream. And then the video will be published too. But yeah, just to show you, like, if you were interested in those resources, let me see. I'm gonna pull them up real quick and show you. So where's it at? Got like a playlist, and I'll drop the link real quick in the description. All right, all right. So right here, whoa, whoa? Got a little split view thing. I don't even know how I just did that. Can I? Oh, okay. I know how to undo it now. There we go. All right, so let's pull this off, make this a little smaller. All right, so right here, this is a playlist. I'm gonna drop this link in the. You said watch all of them. All right, so I'm gonna just let you know if I were to make that video, it would legit just be this video right here, like how to swing trade for beginners, and then this video right here, the hack for finding the perfect option strike. So it's like this hack for finding the perfect option strike price. Essentially, you want to find the move that you're looking for, or you start with your budget. So if you think like, so if you have $70 like today for this trade that I took today, I'm not sure if you were here, but this trade, I started with the budget, started with the trade that I thought would, the budget was $70. I used $63 to take the trade. But yeah, I was like, okay, not spending over $70 today for the trade. The move I was looking at, I actually got out like here, which was a $2 move, but I was looking at about almost a $3 move. And Then I also saw the delta on the trade. I don't remember what the delta was. I think it was like maybe 23 or so. But oh, I took from going from here to here, I had $63, turned it into 103. And then that contract actually down here was at like two, I saw it at like 280 or so. So it's just like take the start with the price that you're gonna like start with your budget. Next step, take that budget and use that to kind of filter out the contracts. And when it comes to seeing if the contract is actually good, like take however much the move is. Like if you see the move is going to be like say it's a $3 move, take your delta and multiply it by 3. So if the delta is 0.10, for instance, it's like okay, $3 move, probably going to be $30 increase. All right, if I paid $60 for this, that's a 50% increase for the move I thought or I'm looking at. Is that worth the trade? That's kind of all I'm looking at. And then like wait, did you say swing trade? Let me see. You said swing trades. Okay, so take that same concept, but you're going to want to like shift the time frame as well. So it's going to be like this is for a day trade, so ideally that's on the 1 hour. The only difference you're going to have from what I just said is like your time frame is going to be determined like it's just going to determine how much time you're going to get on your contract. So if you're swing trading, ideally like you're expecting the contract to take up to 10 days. So ideally you can get 2 on the contract, but ideally you're getting at least 3 weeks time, like 3 weeks to anywhere from 3 weeks on your contracts to maybe like 2 months on your contracts for a swing trade. But usually I'm around that like 3 week time frame if you're going for a swing trade. All right, Imson said I have been driving, wanted to say more. First pay you. I preach to my friends and family. Some listen, most don't. I know how that goes. I slow channel to concentrate on swinging so I can show them where investing goes next. Hey, that's what's up. Bro, I'm gonna have to bro, now that we can have like 10 individual accounts on Robinhood, bro, there's no stuff is coming. Stuff will be coming with that. I might just need to make like another YouTube channel just for my hey, yo, we're tracking this portfolio. So I'll have like a educational one and then like have a have one for just tracking the accounts and whatnot. And what's cool is like you can actually collaborate between accounts on YouTube. So it's like if you were looking for it on this channel, you could still find it. That'd be nice. All right, so SPY is going back lower. Didn't quite retrace to where I was thinking it would retrace, but it's coming back down. You said so you still rep Robinhood? I definitely like use Robinhood. The Robinhood has definitely gotten a lot better. I use Robinhood, I use Moomoo. Those are the main ones I use, but it's like I don't like actually like do anything with them, but I still use their platform. Like Moomoo, they treat me a little better. They got like they have some things that Robinhood doesn't as well. But Robinhood is like, yo, they keep adding stuff. And it's like, yo, at this rate, I think Robinhood is gonna kind of win. But no, I don't want to just lean on any one brokerage because no, Robinhood does have like when it's crucial, bro, Robinhood will like kind of poop out. But it's like also like the other major brokerages do too. But it's I don't know. It's like there are days like where it's like, oh yeah, I'm glad I didn't have this trade in Robinhood. And then honestly, I don't think there are days that other brokerages go out that Robinhood is there, but there are days that brokerages go out that Moomoo is there. So Emerson said, man, I'm on the same thing with Robinhood. But yeah, I'm gonna say I don't necessarily rep Robinhood, but I definitely use it. And I also like each passing day am more and more interested in actually owning the stock too, because I think the company is like onto some things. They're really they're doing stuff. Like they had a slow start, but they are accelerating. It would be fun to do a low money hood account contest within. Hey, I think so too. This week, hey, I'm thinking so too. With the big news too, D Scurv. So we'll see. Have a blessed weekend. But no, yeah, that's a fun idea. Let me write that down. Low dollar. Yo, yeah, we might have to do a little challenge in the little group. Let's see. Wait, is it contest or challenge here? That sounds like fun. And Bullish Grim, I'm set up and lock into Robinhood because I lost my ID. So I was just wondering. Oh, yo, hope you resolve your ID issue. But no, yeah, Robinhood is good. Like they're making it better and better and better. So Robinhood is solid. So when I get my ID, what do you recommend for brokerages? So I'm not a financial advisor and don't give out financial advice, but I do. I have like I have a lot of brokerages. Honestly, I have Moomoo, I have Robinhood, I have interactive brokers, but for some reason they don't let me trade options. I have Webull, but I haven't used it since I don't know how long, but I have it. And then those might be the only apps I have, like those four. Let me see. And I have SoFi as well. I don't have anything in there anymore. And I was about to start, but then whenever they're like, "Oh, you have all these Robinhood ones," it's like I don't really do that anymore either. Or it's like now that they're like, "Oh, you can have all these on Robinhood," I'm like, "Yeah, I would rather have them there." It's like some of these other ones I only had because I'm like, "Oh, I want different accounts for different things," but it's like, like number 52. What about the rest of you? I'm in front of the computer now. I know you're about to. Hey, 100%. You said what's looking good for end of day? I think we're gonna at least hit pre-market low, which is 662. I think we could come for that weekly low, which is 661.70. That's what I would say. But yeah. So I would just say like riding the trend, but also I'm sure the VIX is high right now. Let's see. VIX is up at 27, so know that you're paying more for contracts now. And then Midwest Carl, Weeble, and Robinhood for me. Bro, Weeble used to be that thing until bro, they did me dirty like some years back. But that's a story for another day. But yeah, with that being said, family, that is going to do it for the day. And I guess for the week. Appreciate each and every one of y'all for coming through. If you are not someone that comes to the private stream show, we will be back again next week on Friday at the same time, which is uh honestly I try to come through like 15 minutes before market open, but I have it set for 8:30 Central Time. Um yeah, appreciate each and every one of y'all. Hope y'all's trades go y'all's way. Hope y'all have a blessed weekend. And with that being said, Matthew Manuel signing off. And I want to change your life. Peace out, Bullish Grim. Peace out, Bailey. Peace out, M Sense. Peace out, D Scurv. Peace out, Peace out, Midwest Carl. Peace out, Kong. Peace out, Tony Matt. Peace out, Options Grower. Peace out, Henry. Peace out, Mastery DRC. Peace out, First Timothy. And, with that being said, hope each and every one of y'all have a blessed week. Matthew Manuel signing off. And I want to change your life. Peace out, family.